Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by ensuring prerequisites. Free up at least 20 GB on C, pause any third-party antivirus, and unplug extra peripherals to avoid driver conflicts. Next, download the official media creation tool and the Windows 10 22H2 ISO. This gives you a clean installer to bypass stubborn Windows update errors. Once the ISO is ready, mount it or create a USB. Make sure to note your product key if prompted, then proceed to the In-Place upgrade step below. Run Setup. EXE from the mounted ISO as administrator and allow it to check for updates. This avoids known Windows update path failures. Choose Keep Personal Files and Apps so you preserve settings while replacing the core system files. If the installer flags a driver or compatibility block, pause and update that driver or uninstall the app it names, then retry. Once the copy phase completes, the system will reboot multiple times. Stay patient and do not interrupt power during this critical phase. After the upgrade completes, verify Windows 10 version 22H2 in Settings under About, and run Windows Update once more to pick up cumulative fixes. If the upgrade fails, boot into an administrator command prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano. Once those finish, reboot and retry the in-place upgrade. If problems persist, the reliable final option is a clean install from the ISO. Make a full backup first, because that removes apps and settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.